Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a weather calendar to your AOL calendar. So if you haven't switched over to the new interface yet, this is how it looks. So, just a refresh look, but everything pretty much works the same. So when you go to your calendar, you'll see any events that you've created and so on. So to subscribe to a weather calendar, you need to go to a weather calendar website. So I have a couple here we're going to add here. One's Weather in Calendar, and the other one is Mediomatics.com calendar. So let's do this one first since we're here. So you just put in your city and state or country, wherever you happen to be. Click on your Celsius or Fahrenheit, click on Generate. Then you would copy the link by clicking on that. So you'll go back to your calendars, and then you want to go to Others, click on the gear, and you want to follow Other Calendars. Let's give this one a name. Let's call this Weather 1. Then paste in this URL that you copied from the website. Pick a color. The refresh rate, keep it on automatic. You don't need any reminders since it's just weather. It's not like a task or anything. So you got the name, the website URL that you copied from here. Pick a color, refresh automatically, no reminder, click on Save. And now we have the weather, so you could click on it, click on More. So this one's kind of gives you weird information, 0 to 3 hours, 3 to 6 hours, and so on. So it's it's a decent weather calendar. It's not too good, not too fantastic. So now we're going to try this Weather in Calendar, which I like a lot better. So once again, just put in your location, let it find it first. Pick Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then if you want just the current temperature, if you want the lows and the highs, just like that, and click on Copy. Go back to your AOL, same process. Go to your Others, follow Other Calendars. Let's call this Weather 2. Paste in the URL. Let's pick a different color here. No reminder. Save. And now we have this one as well. So now we have both. So the red one's the new one we just added. So this one we have set just to show the current temperature here, or I think it's the high maybe. So this one gives you more information, broken clouds and sunrise, pressure. And so on. And then this one gives you a link here too. So you can click on the link and it'll take you to that city that you have in your settings here. Just like that. So, on this one, like I said, you could try it with the setting here, or if you want the high and the low, this will give you different results. And let's say you don't want a calendar, just go back to your settings here, kind of click near one little down arrow, and click on Unfollow. And you can do for this one as well, Unfollow. And then you'll have no weather calendar, so you could just pick the one you like and keep that one, or try them both first and just keep the one you like, and that kind of thing. Okay, so I'll put a link in the description for both these websites, and you just have to enter your location, copy the link, and like I said, go to Others, follow Other Calendars, title, paste in the address, pick a color, set the reminder to no reminder, save it, and then you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.